Hello guys, welcome to Suhi's Gardening. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to plant my Anthurium plant in this aquaponics planter. If you see, this is a 3.5 gallon aquarium and in which we can grow plants in this aquaponics planter. So I have got this from Topfin Aquaponics company from PetSmart and it cost around like $29. So I'm just going to show you how to set up this aquarium and also how I'm going to plant my anthurium in this aquaponic planter. So before setting up this tank, I'll just show you what all the things they have given. So if you see, this is the aquaponics planter where we are going to plant our plant, and a lid with 3 LED lights. You could see 3 LED lights. So a filter pump and a filter base, and this is a filter base where our fish poops are going to settle down. So the lid is really convenient and they have given a notch so that 2 wires from the LED light and the filter pump comes over here, and in the lid they have also given a hole so that we can conveniently put our fish feeds. So now I'm just going to decorate our aquarium with our aquarium decors. So now I have taken some small sized pebbles or white color gravels. So you can choose any type of colors you want. So I'm just going to decorate it now. So I'll just remove this pump so that it will be easy for me to add our gravel. So leave a layer of gravel around the filter pump so that our filter pump fits in. So you can just add the gravel. So add very slowly. So just a layer of gravel will be more than sufficient. So I'll just see whether I can fix my pump or not. So it's really easy to fix my pump. So I'm just going to fill. So we have added 1 layer of our small pebbles. Now I'm just going to fix the pump and see. Remove the pebbles around the fish pump and fix it properly. So now I have fixed the filter pump. So just spread out the pebbles. So now I'm just going to keep some big rocks. So you can use any type of rocks or any type of decor. It's your wish. So I have some artificial plants. So I'm just keeping it right here, or I can keep it over here too. So I'm thinking of keeping this pebble in the front. So this is a circular fish tank. So I just want all my decorations to be seen outside. So you can add decorations whenever you want. So these decorations are really cool. So you can even use live plants. So as of now I don't have any live aquarium plants. So I'm just going to use this. So now it's time for us to add our water. So now I'm just going to add water. So you should not add tap water directly. So you should keep the tap water for about 24 hours before adding to the fish tank because of the chlorine contamination. So while adding water, see to it that our decorations are not spoiled. So add water very slowly. It looks really cool, and now it's time for us to add the fish. Before adding the fish, I'm just going to add some fish conditioners to the water. So this is the fish conditioner I have. So I have some 2 goldfish. So I have got goldfish protect conditioner, and I'm just going to add 5 ml to it. So now I'm going to add my fish. Oh, my 2 goldfish are in this container. I'm just going to transfer this to our aquarium. Since my old tank was very small, I was having only 2 goldfish. But since this is a 3.5 gallon and a little bigger aquarium, I can have more fish. So I'll just show you if I get more fish. So only disadvantage of this aquarium is if the fish moves at the back of our aquarium, so you'll not be able to see it. But anyway, this aquarium is very cool for my goldfish. So I'm just going to fix the lid. So fixing the lid is very easy in this aquarium when compared to other aquarium. Fix our planter. So this is a planter where we are going to grow our plants. So I have switched on the pump and also the light. So once the light is on, our aquarium looks really cool and it's really beautiful. And see our goldfish running here and there. I want to add the thermometer. So I have got a floating thermometer. So now let us go to our aquaponics system and add the planting media. So I'm just going to cut the planting media. They have given the planting media on this cover. So these are some of the clay pebbles. So before using it, I'm just going to wash it with water so that the dirt in it will not affect my fish. So I have added the planting media and the aquaponic planter, and if you see, these are the clay pebbles. It acts as a planting media to stabilize our roots. Now we can plant any type of plant in this aquaponics planter. Now let us make our plants ready to plant in this planter. So in the aquaponics aquarium, I'm just going to plant the Anthurium in the middle of our pothos plant. So I have already planted some pothos. If you see, it's nothing but these pothos are some rooted pothos of my parent plant. So I have already rooted it and planted in the aquaponics aquarium. So if you see, these are all the rooted pothos. So now I'm going to plant the Anthurium in this aquaponics planter. Just remove the clay pebbles and keep the roots over here. So I have planted my Anthurium plant in the aquaponics planter, and so now I'm just going to arrange all my pothos surrounding the Anthurium. So just remove some of the pebbles. So now I have planted my Anthurium plant intermingled with my pothos, and it really looks cool. And let me show you how my Anthurium and pothos do in the future coming days, and I'll update you how it really progresses in my aquarium planter. And hope you guys like this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.